Hi there, future garden gurus. Today we are diving headfirst into the delightful world of flower gardening for beginners. Whether you are a sprawling yard or a cozy apartment, we have got the perfect step-by-step plan to get your blooms on. So grab your gardening gloves and let's sow some flower magic. Step 1. Plot your planting paradise. Ready to dig in? First thing first, choose your flower bed. It's like picking a stage for your floral show. Make sure it gets plenty of sunshine. Flowers are liking sunbathing pros. Step 2. Blossom with beginners friendly blooms. Now let's talk flowers. Start with the easy peasy ones. Marigolds, pansies and daisies. They are like the cool kids that get along with everyone. Step 3. Soil love and attention. Soil time. Mix in some compost. It's like serving up a gourmet meal for your plants. And don't worry if you get a little dirt under your nails. It's badge of gardening honor. Step 4. Sow seeds or welcome younglings. Seeds or baby plants. It's your gardening adventure. Planting seeds is a like planting tiny dreams, while baby plants are like instant garden BFs. Step 5. Planting party. Let's get our hands dirty. Dig holes, pop in your flowers, and gently tuck them in. It's like tucking them into a cozy flower bed. Step 6. Watering wisdom. Time to hydrate, water your flowers, but not like a rainstorm, just enough to quench their thirst. They shall be dancing with joy. Step 7. Nutrients. Feed your flowers some plant food. It's like giving them a boost of energy. Think of it as a flower smoothie. They shall be bursting with vitality. Step 8. Mulch magic. Cover your soil with mulch, like tucking your flowers into a fluffy blanket. It keeps them cozy and stylishly protected. Step 9. Keep those pests at bay. Bugs bugging you. Use natural tricks like garlic spray or inviting ladybugs to your garden party. It's like having your own teeny security team. Step 10. Marvel at your blooming beauties. Drum roll, please. Watch your flowers bloom and shine. It's like seeing your dreams come true, one petal at a time. And there you have it. Blossoming beginners. You have just asked flower gardening. If you enjoyed this step by step guide, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more green thumb adventures. Keep planting, growing, and letting those blooms brighten your world. Until next time, keep spreading flower love and making your garden a happier place.